Hello. This video commentary is on Lesson 1, Intro to Quadrilaterals. This lesson is equivalent to one class hour. Being the first week, a new unit, a new style of learning, the co-teachers and I, the student teacher, did not want to overwhelm the students. We wanted them to adjust comfortably. The central focus of this class was this is an introduction lesson. Many of the students should know or recognize the quadrilaterals in this lesson, yet this lesson introduced properties and geometrical vocabulary. This lesson acts as a warm up for the entire unit, as well as this lesson also introduces the new format of the online classroom. The content standards satisfy knowing precise definitions of angle, perpendicular, parallel, and line segment, pretty much justifying vocabulary, geometrical vocabulary with quadrilaterals. The learning objective is students will be able to explore and examine properties and vocabulary for the quadrilateral family. All right, and that was the class-wide learning objective. The focus learners learning objective was students will use class videos to maintain remote class engagement. Okay, and that helps with the hearing, the visual, and verbal communication with the students to keep them engaged. All right, so the instructional strategies. First off, every time you see instructional strategies, there is a student instructional video. I prefer to right click, um, and when you right click, it go into a different link, and there's a whole video to watch on YouTube on that. Okay, I'll let you watch that on your own time. So the first thing, so after watching the instructional video or reading the instructions, the students have the choice. Students should open the file called Notes, Types of Quadrilaterals. In the file there is a PDF diagram of images of the quadrilaterals called Notes Image Quadrilaterals. And if you click on this, it shoots you to the notes. And whenever you go to the notes, at the bottom of the notes, you can go to return back to lesson one. Okay, so this is the image of the notes. And then returning back to lesson one, so they went to the images of quadrilaterals. Students will examine these images and try to recollect any previous knowledge they may have of these geometrical shapes. After reviewing these notes, uh, there's a short questionnaire called Practice Quadrilateral Questions. This will test the students' previous knowledge that they may have on quadrilaterals. There is also a video of the questionnaire to read the question to students who have reading difficulties. And that again is in a link. You can view it on your time. Uh, yeah, feel free to watch it as you like. Okay, and that's the video. And then finally, the students must go to the file called assignment, where the quadrilateral progress report is. The students must complete the assignment because any assignment is the formal assignment, okay, for the weekly progress track. So, focusing in, the informal assessment is the practice quadrilateral questions, and here is a copy of it. And you just click on it, and it takes you right to the copy in the PDF. To return back, you're going to want to hit return lesson one, but there's 10 questions there. And the students could submit for participation grade. And then for the formal assignment, we have this quadrilateral table, which I'm going to click on the link. And for the quadrilateral table is they want you to fill out the first column is pick two types of quadrilaterals from that sheet. We require the students to draw the quadrilateral they chose and try to identify any properties to show us if they know any properties. Uh, yeah, but there's no real right or wrong answer with the properties because we really haven't gone over them yet. It's just kind of uh, an introduction to the unit in a sense to see if the students know anything from the past. Okay, and that pretty much covers all of Unit 1. All right, or all of Lesson 1. I'm sorry, not Unit 1. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.